Hello everyone, welcome to All About Hip Hop. Today I will discuss about facts about Machine Gun Kelly. Number 1. MGK learned to speak Arabic before learning English. Number 2. MGK started his EST movement with his producer and best friend Slim. EST means everyone stands together. Number 3. Both of MGK parents were missionaries, so that's why he moved so often. Number 4. MGK first mixtape was titled Stamped of Approval and it was released in October 13, 2007. Number 5. MGK song OZ was based on a true story. MGK and a friend of his were in a car with an oz of marijuana. An officer walks up to the car, they ended up ditching the ounce. MGK said he nearly shedded a tear. Number 6. As a kid, MGK wanted an easy bake but his father told him no, and called him gay. Number 7. MGK named his mixtape Black Flag after iconic Hermosa Beach, California, hardcore punks. Number 8. MGK favorite porn star is Rachel Starr because she can bounce that ass. Number 9. He was often bullied at school because of the way he dressed. Number 10. The band Korn, Limp Bizkit, and Nirvana helped Kells through his dark times. And that's the 10 facts about Machine Gun Kelly. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.